Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to update all apps in Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to update all apps in Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone, and after landing on this interface of the Play Store, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the manage apps and device option available for us just above the notifications and offers. Tap on manage apps and devices, and over here on this interface guys, you can see the updates available option available for us, which is the second one. Tap on the updates available, and on this interface all of the apps which require an update on your phone will be shown here like this. You can see some of my apps on my phone requires an update. Now in order to update all apps, simply tap on the update all button at the top right corner of the screen, and all of your apps which require an update on your phone will be updated momentarily. And with that being said guys, this is how to update all apps in Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.